If you are looking for the best TV mount for camper, we have listed these top 5 best TV mounts for camper to help you choose the perfect one. Links to the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 1. Most popular. Mounting Dream MD2210 Lockable RV TV Mount. When it comes to your RV TV, you need a mount that has a reputation for being sturdy and safe. The Mounting Dream MD2210 Lockable RV TV Mount meets the criteria. The RV TV mount locking system on this unit allows you to leave it with confidence at all times. The mount fits most 17 to 43 inches TV with a weight of about 44 pounds. It's got a VideoSecu compatibility of 75/75, 100/100, 200/100, and 200/100. This unit is also really easy to install. It comes with clear instructions that are easy to follow for anyone with basic DIY skills. The advanced. Number 2. Mounted RV TV Mount. We're very excited about the mounted RV TV mount. It has a wide range of features to make your life comfortable in the RV. This TV mount has a unique locking mechanism in place that will both securely mount your TV to your RV wall and minimize, if not prevent, vibrations that could cause problems for your TV. The slide-in TV plate feature lets you easily attach your TV to the unit's wall arms, so installation is simple. The knobs that allow you to tilt or pan the mount are also convenient, allowing you to adjust your view. It is VideoSecu compatible with patterns 75/75, 100/100, 200/100, and 200/100, and can support 33 pounds. Number 3. VideoSecu ML531B RV TV Wall Mount. Take a look at the VideoSecu ML531B RV TV Wall Mount if you have a larger TV to install. This RV TV wall mount can handle any TV between 26 and 60 inches in size. In addition, its heavy-duty steel gauge can handle up to 88 pounds, which is more weight than most wall mounts can handle. It has a VideoSecu compatibility of 100/100 mm to 400/400 mm. In addition, this mount is both strong and adjustable. You can tilt, pan, or pull it out 20 inches from your wall for a very convenient and comfortable viewing experience. It's also retractable at about 1/2 inches for a low-profile design, as it may be centered on the wall. Number 4. WALI TV Wall Mount Bracket. Looking for a sleek and stylish RV TV wall mount? Give the WALI RV TV Wall Mount Bracket a closer look. Most TV and monitors with a size range of 23 inches to 42 inches will be compatible with this wall mount. It can handle a weight limit of up to 44 pounds. Its VideoSecu compatibility is 75/75, 100/100, 200/100, and 200/100. It is also fully adjustable up to 8 upward and 12 downward. It can also swivel 180 and has a +/3 rotation for a better viewing experience. The WALI RV TV Wall Mount Bracket is also a space saver. For efficient space saving, it will extend 3.25 inches, 6.75 inches, 10.5 inches, or 14 inches. Number 5. Master Mounts 2311L Locking RV TV Mount. Strength and convenience gives the Master Mounts 2311L Locking RV TV Mount its competitive advantage. The secure locking mechanism will keep your TV safe as your vehicles move. Your passengers can enjoy watching the TV without much vibration while you're in motion, even if the road gets a bit rough. This unit is reinforced with its strong aluminum build. The mount comes with an easy pull chain lock system with a release mechanism, so you do not have to deal with gears, knobs, straps, or ties upon installation or dismounting. Most RV TV mounts utilize knobs and gears, which can be inconvenient. Most screens will fit this RV TV mount from sizes up to 42 inches and a weight of up to 33 pounds.